Alrighty guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I can make up to about $60 per day being a crowd tester on a site based in the UK or in Europe that's available all over the world, and anybody can do this. Alright, stick around, I'm going to get you guys started on that here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. Like I said earlier, I'm going to show you a video, not a video, but in this video I'm going to show you how you can be a crowd tester for a site over in the Europe or UK area. Alrighty guys, first of all, like you guys know, I put out lots of videos showing you guys ways and tools and how to make money online to bring time and financial freedom into your lives. And for that reason, I really don't understand why you haven't reached down there yet and just smashed the hell out of that subscribe button. Reach down there right now while you're thinking about it, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here on this channel. Alrighty guys, first of all, also for you newcomers to the site or to my videos or to my page or channel, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and what we do here is how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to bring time and financial freedom into your lives, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video too as well. Okay? Alrighty guys, well let's go ahead and get started on this. It shouldn't take long, shouldn't be a real long video, and I'm going to show you this site here and how you can make up to $60 or more possibly per day. Alrighty? Alright, so let's go ahead and get started in on this. We're going to come over here to our Opera browser as usual, and we're going to come to this site here. It's called Testbirds.com. You can see that up here in the address bar. It's Testbirds.com. You're going to get to sign up and become a bird, a test bird. Alright here. And what this site is they do testing on all kinds of different products, mainly websites, where you can have your website tested for any bugs or the usability capability of it, and anything to do with that type of thing, where companies can come as well as individuals that have websites that want to have their site tested out to see how well it functions and if it's easy to use and so on and so forth for other people and other companies here. Alright, so you see they have some of the things that they do here. They do quality assurance testing, usability testing, and on the UI of the sites, and then different exclusives over here that they can get involved in with too. And they do exploratory bug testing, structured bug testing, bug bounty, localization testing, regression testing, load and performance testing, test case creation, and add-ons, and usability and user interface study. That's what UX is, I believe, user interface of it. And quantitative usability study, competitor analysis, prototype evaluation, remote usability videos, remote interviews, comparison studies, card sorting, and so on and so forth. And as you can see here, testing, crowd testing, quality, usability, and it's testing reality, real users, real devices, real impact. Testbirds crowd testing solutions enable you to optimize your digital products and tackle now all bugs and performance related issues with our quality assurance services. Optimize user experience and tackle usability issues in your product with the help of the biggest crowd of over 400,000 digital testers around the world. So see guys, this is available anywhere in the world. It's free to sign up here and to do this, okay? And all you need is just your computer and internet. Alright, do this right from home. Make money from home, okay? And then it says, look now through the eyes of our users and have all the tests of your device at your fingertips, and then you can discover more. Some more information about it here. It talks a little bit more about it, so on and so forth down through here. And what we test is test objects. They test websites and online shops, wearables and trackers, also devices too, mobile apps and devices, games, virtual reality, and imagine AR. I think that's artificial reality. I'm not real sure what AR means. And then Internet of Things and smart devices such as like Alexa. If you've got the Google Home or the Alexa smart device, then you can be able to test those too.
I think you're asking about
and,
smart device. Would you like to know more
Alexa,
about that?
stop. Pardon that, guys. I better not say it too loud. I have an Alexa device as well myself. Anyways, chatbots and assistants. All right. But this is some of what they do here. But what we're interested in is how we can make some money, right? Or how you can make some money more better here. All right. So at the bottom of this site, you come to this site and you come all the way down. You want to click on where it says Become a Tester right here. You see this down here, right? So if we click on that, that brings us over to here. And on this page, it says Earn money in your spare time, and as a test bird, you will hunt for software bugs to make applications and websites more usable. And then it's just pretty simple. Not a member. It says let's fix that. All you're going to do is simply put your name and last name and pick a username, use a good email address, and then a password, and then location. Again, guys, it's right here. It doesn't matter where you're at in the world. As you see, every single country in the whole world is capable here of being used. It doesn't matter where you're from. You can do this. You can see all these countries, all right? And then put in your date of birth, your month and year, and then accept the privacy notice and terms, and then click let me in here. And then some of what they do down here says why be a test bird. Fair payment, it says. Earn money by telling us your opinion about software. The payments are proportional to the complexity of the task. For a regular usability test, you would earn around 20 euros or 15 pounds, for example. There's usually a fixed amount for your test report and additional payment for every bug defect you find. So in other words, if you're working on a website and you're testing somebody's website or some company's website and you find any bugs, the more bugs you find, you be paid even more money. As you can see right here, is if you find serious technical bugs in their website, you'll earn even more money than that. So let's take this for example. There's not showing you here in US dollars, but for example 20 euros, well, I put it into over here on Bing on the exchange rate. If you look here, 20 euros is equivalent to about $22.02 in US dollars. Okay, so if you got 3 of those tests in one day, then you would have an opportunity to make about $60 per day. All right. So anyways, then they have flexible hours. When you are invited to a test, you'll see all the deadlines. It's up to you if you want to take part or not. It's your choice. You're not an employer or employee, or this is not an employment site, and you're also just basically an independent contractor. Work when you want, where you want, and so on and so forth. Total freedom in this, guys. As you can choose to test during the daytime and or at night at your convenience. And then data privacy, your personal information is stored in a safe place. Our servers are in Germany, one of the strictest countries in terms of data protection. Your personal data will never be given to third parties. We need it so we can always find the right tester for the particular job that they have here. Says their requirements, all you need is a device which allows you to go online. You are probably using one right now, such as your computer or phone or any kind of device like that. If you are interested in trying out software and giving us your feedback about it, you have all the qualities that are needed to become a test bird. If you decide that you want to know more about testing, we're happy to teach you. And I think back on their other page they even had the testing training academy that you could get involved with here, and I'll show that to you now. We'll come back here to their regular website here. And if you see, where was it at? They have a day in the life of the test bird. And I saw something about that. Yeah, right here. Excuse me. Test bird exclusive training academy right here, where you can learn to get better at this. And I suppose it's like any of the other these testing sites that I show you guys. The better you get at it, the more money you can make in this. Okay. All right. So then coming back here to where we were at, and some of their clients here, like Audi, some big companies here, Alliance, Braun, Douche Post. I'm not sure what that is, what time or something, and an Evening Standard magazine, and a lot of other big time companies here that you guys probably are familiar with. So, and then it gives a little bit more about it down here. Testing or device cloud, all advantages at a glance, and about Testbirds, and so on and so forth. And then they have frequently asked questions here. So let's see possibly how we're going to be paid. I believe it's with guessing here, without looking, it's going to be through PayPal more than likely. Let's see here. General questions. We'll look for how we can get paid here on this. Let's see here. Here we go. Payments and legal stuff. How much am I going to earn at Testbirds? Entry test, the qualification test, is rewarded with a welcome bonus of €5, which is, well, if I had to look, it would be about what? I'm not very good with euros. I only know US dollars, guys. That's so it's $5.50 in US dollars for €5, and then which can only be retrieved once you have a total balance of 10. So you got to have at least €10 in your account before they'll pay you, I guess. And usability tests will receive a fixed payment for these kinds of tests, and payout can be requested after a report has been approved by our bird masters. How about that? You will have a bird master, boss. Probably not a boss, but just somebody that kind of keeps an eye on your account, or so on and so forth. Depending on the complexity of the test, the payment could be €10 or €50 or more. Imagine that, €50. What's €50? Let's see what that is. That's $55, okay? And then bug tests. For bug tests, it talks about that, and then combination of test report and bugs. You can get, looks like usually if you work at a normal speed, you usually earn about €10 or more per hour on that, depending on the form of payment. See the payment methods and how am I going to receive money. I think let's see here. Yeah, right down here. Click that. So it looks like if you live in a country that's part of the single euro payment area, SEPA, we can pay directly to your bank account. Or here it is right here. PayPal, guys. If you have a PayPal account. Also, it looks like many of their testers use a service called Wirecard as well, or a Wirecard bank. Payoneer's global payment service, and if you receive money via IBAN, I'm not sure what that is. They'll pay by PayPal as well. In some countries, PayPal is restricted. You can pay with it, but you can't receive money. In those cases, don't hesitate to contact us once you have earned money testing and want to request a payment to discuss additional options. Please be aware that when you're using PayPal, you have to pay a fee to PayPal as the receiver of the payment, which is the way PayPal works. Whenever you receive any money into your account, they're always going to take a little fee off of that. I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's like, depending, I think it's 3% of the total amount, something like that, 2 to 3%. And then, so once you have a balance equivalent to €10, you can request a payout in the nest. And for security reason, there's a buffer of 48 hours. So about 48 hours, then you can you get a payout after about 48 hours, or 2 days, or two business days, I guess, or it could be, well, 48 hours. It doesn't say business, so figure it 2 days. So Well, there you go, guys. That's how you can excuse me, come to this site and become a bird tester or a test bird or whatever on this site and make some pretty good extra change for yourself. All right, guys? Well, guys, that's what I wanted to show you today, is how you can come to this site called Testbirds.com and make yourselves some pretty good extra money. All right, guys? Well, make sure that you reach down there and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do regularly here, as you know. And also, you want to make some real money. You want to get out of that 9 to 5 just over broke job that you're in, where you have to answer to a boss and you have to drive back and forth every day and you're sick of it. Come down there and click that first link in my description down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over, sign up on my email list, check out the business that is in behind that, and see what you can do where you can make up to $4,000 in one day and have your own business up and running in about 15 days or less in affiliate marketing of your choice. Alrighty, guys, check that out, and I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day now. Bye-bye.